Hey there, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we'll show you how to edit text in a photo in mobile so you can personalize your images in just a few taps. Open your Photos app. This is where all your images are stored, making it easy to find the one you want to edit. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Just tap on it to open it in full view. Tap Edit or Markup. This option is usually at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your phone. Tap the Text tool and type your text. This lets you add custom captions, quotes, or labels to your photo. Some gallery apps may allow you to change font, color, and size. Explore these options to make your text stand out. Adjust the text box, then save the edited copy. This ensures your text is perfectly placed before finalizing. Method 2, using PixArt. Open your browser and type Edit Text on Image, then open the PixArt website. It's a great tool for advanced editing. Tap on Upload Image, select the photo from your gallery, then tap Done. This loads your image into the editor. Sign in with your account to continue. This step is necessary to save your progress and access all features. Mark the area where the text is, tap Remove, and adjust the brush size. This helps clean up unwanted text before adding new ones. Tap Apply to confirm the changes. This locks in your edits before moving forward. Now tap on the photo, then tap Text. This opens the text tool for adding new content. Browse through the font options and select your desired one. PixArt offers a variety of stylish fonts. Double tap the text to edit it, then tap Done. This lets you tweak your message until it's just right. To download the image, tap the download arrow at the top, then tap Download again. Now your edited photo is saved to your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more handy tips.